Once buried under years of dust, mud, and grease, this forgotten excavator is finally getting a second chance. Piece by piece, the damage disappears. The engine, hydraulics, and structure are rebuilt, bringing this powerful machine back to life. This excavator has worked for years, but time and hard conditions have let it almost completely worn out. Today, its complete restoration begins.
Before removing anything, the engineer carefully inspects every major system to understand the full condition of the machine.
The inspection reveals damaged hoses, corroded hardware, worn tracks, and years of accumulated dirt and contamination.
Now the real restoration begins, as the damaged components are carefully removed one by one.
The hydraulic system is carefully dismantled, because reliable pressure control is essential for every excavator movement.
After dismantling the damaged parts, years of mud, grease, and contamination are finally washed away.
Once clean, the corroded metal is exposed and prepared for serious structural repair.
Damaged sections of the main structure are repaired with precision welding, restoring strength to the machine.
The bucket and working joints receive special attention because these parts carry enormous loads during excavation.
Fresh hydraulic lines and restored fittings are installed to bring the machine's pressure system back to reliable condition. Next comes the heart of the excavator, the engine. Years of dirt and wear have to be removed before it can return to service. Critical engine components are restored, inspected, and carefully reassembled for reliable performance. The electrical system is also renewed, with damaged wiring and connectors replaced and carefully organized. Attention now moves to the undercarriage, where restored track components are prepared to carry the machine once again. With the mechanical repairs nearly complete, the entire body is prepared for a fresh protective finish. A new industrial coating gives the old machine a completely renewed appearance while protecting its repaired metal. Now the restored boom, arm, and bucket return to their original positions, bringing the excavator back together. Every remaining component is carefully reinstalled, turning a collection of restored parts back into one complete machine.
After months of restoration work, the moment of truth has finally arrived. The engine starts again.
The hydraulic system responds smoothly, proving that the restored machine is ready to work again. The restored excavator leaves the workshop under its own power, ready to return to heavy-duty work. From a neglected machine covered in rust and dirt, it has become a powerful working excavator once again. Restored, tested, and ready for a new life.